This is 4 a.m. in the morning.
5, 6, let me see, 7, 8, 9. We got all 10 people. If my sweatshirt was in here.
Perfect conditions just before sunrise. Getting the vehicle prepped and ready. Cameras started. Data logging, recording. Making sure everything is working prior to the arrival of the helicopters. Closing up the skin panel now that we've confirmed all the avionics are running. It was a fantastic team effort. Some amazing partners across industry and a whole company effort to rally together and make this happen. Pre-flight checks with the helicopter, ensuring that the hook and long line are secure and operational.
So yeah, we have 2 engines. They at max gross, at max power.
Exactly. We good? Okay, we're good.
A lot of nerves and anticipation, but also some quiet confidence, I think, after all the preparation. Okay, we saw the team there just getting ready to launch the final weather balloon just to confirm the high altitude winds. Go for lift.
Ten-second countdown.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Elation and relief from the team. Landing was spot on, just where we're predicted on the range. And now all to capture the landed state in as best condition before we get into accessing the data and the cameras. First impressions were excellent. The system performed exactly as designed. So this was the culmination of a lot of subsystem level tests over the last few months. It was a critical milestone for proving this phase of flight, the handover from drones to mains, so not something that could be done on the computer or in the lab.
Good, thank you.
Looking ahead, we've got further subsystem level tests, mortar firings, cutter tests, and the space qual elements. But this was the key step to unlock that next stage of the program. And I think the success here is a testament to that effort that everyone has put in.